This asshole thinks he can mess with me? If this is the best Vice City has to offer, this is gonna be easy, Lance, you stupid moron. Still, it gives me an opportunity to deal with Diaz.
Bullying an old man? Who does this wise guy mob asshole think he is?
When your best friend's a lawyer and you're taking it... Alright, more crap to wipe up. What did I do wrong in a past life? The last thing I needed was this. Maybe the last thing I needed was an enema, but... What does that guy think he is? Now I gotta dress like a chump as well as hang out with them? I like this shirt. As soon as we're ready, I can send the fake crap up north. What's that guy think this is? Some fruity art crap? Geez, like anyone ever watched movies about fish? Okay, let's see what kind of shit I've inherited with this place. What a nice lady. Still, you know, I hear there's good... This guy's my new friend. I never had... Rock and roll, huh? Oh, don't make me laugh. Who are these pricks anyway? Lawyer pricks, rug-wearing pricks, surrounded by pricks. Diaz, huh? Apparently that angry midget runs this madhouse. Let's see what...